This was my first time trying the Sheebie Plus Biotin shampoo, and I really liked it. In the beginning of this video, my hair was already soaking wet, so I went ahead and added the shampoo. Made sure I scrubbed it and rubbed it in as good as I could, and then I started detangling my hair with the shampoo still in, and then I went ahead and rinsed. When I rinsed out my hair, I was a little surprised because my scalp looked a little orange, but I trusted the process and went in with their hair repair mask. And it smelled amazing. It kind of smelled like bananas and brown sugar to me. I'm going to let the mask sit in my hair for 25 minutes.